Hi, I am Anand. I stay with you next 5 to 10 minutes to discuss in details about question answers of NCERT textbook of life processes. This is the 6th chapter of Science of class 10. This question answer has been prepared by Anand Prajapati with the help of Join for Education. Let us develop the class and let's see what is the question number 1. Why is diffusion insufficient to the oxygen requirements of multicellular organism like humans? The answer of the question will be in this way. In multicellular organism, all the cells may not be in direct contact with the surrounding environment. Thus, simple diffusion will not meet the requirement of all the cells. Let's see the written answer of this question. In multicellular organism, all the cells may not be in direct contact with the surrounding environment. Thus, simple diffusion will not meet the requirements of all the cells. So, this is the answer of the first question. Let's see what is the next or second question. This is the second question. What criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive? Let's see what will be the answer of this question. Living creatures must keep repairing and maintaining their structures. Since all these structures are made up of molecules, they must move molecules around all times. So, movement of various types of can be taken as an indication of life. Let's see the written answer of this question. Living creatures must keep repairing and maintaining their structures. Since all these structures are made up of molecules, they must move molecules around all times. So, movement of various types can be taken as an indication of life. So, this is the answer of the second question. Let's see what is the third or question. This is third question. The third question asks us, what are outside raw materials used for an organism? The answer of the question will be in this way. Carbon based raw materials are used for by an organism to prevent damages and breakdowns of its structure. Since life on earth depends on the carbon based molecules, most food sources are carbon based. Let's see the written answer of this question. Carbon based raw materials are used for an organism to prevent damages and breakdowns of its structure. Since life on earth depends on carbon based molecules, most food sources are carbon based. Let's see what is the fourth question. This is question number 4. What processes would you consider essential for maintaining life? The answer of this question will be following processes will be considered essential for maintaining life, which are as follows. nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. So the written answer of this question will be: following processes will be considered essential for maintaining life, which are as follows: nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. So these are the answer of the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us discuss some MCQ or multiple choice questions of this section. What are life processes? And these questions are based on the latest pattern of CBSE or JAC board. Let's see. This is the first multiple choice question. Question is in this way: a dog is running, or a cow is chewing cud, or a man shouting loudly on the street is the indication of what? Let's see what are the options of this question. First option is alive, second question is not alive, third question is both of them, and fourth option is none of the above. If we consider about this statement, then all of these are the characteristic of alive. So the correct option of this question will be A, and this is alive. The correct option is A. Let's see what is the next or second question. The second question is: various types of movement is the indication of life. Let's see what are the options of this question. First true, B false, C both of them, D none of the above. So at the same time true or false will not be. So if we consider about this statement, then various types of movement is the indication of life. This is a true statement. So the correct option of this multiple choice question will be A. Let's see what is the third question. This is the third question. Is molecular movement necessary for life? Let's see what are the options of this question. Yes. Option B no. Option C both. Option D none. At the same time yes and no never will be the answer. Is molecular movement necessary for life? Then this is the yes. Yes, molecular movement is necessary for life. So the correct option of question number 3 will be A. The correct option is A. Let's see what is the question number 4. So question number 4 is: in fact, viruses do not show any molecular movement until they infect some cell. So see what are the option of this question. Option 1 or A is alive, option B is not alive, option C there is a controversy about whether they are truly alive or not, option D none. At the same time alive or not alive, if we consider about option 3, then there is a controversy whether viruses are alive or not alive. So the correct option of question number 4 will be C. Let's see. The correct option is C. Let's see question number 5. Question number 5: living organisms are fill in the blanks. Let's see what are the options of the question. Well organized structure, not well organized structure, both, none. So at the same time well organized, not well organized structure never will be. So the correct option of question number 5 will be well organized structure. So living organism are well organized structure. The correct option is A. Let's see next question. This is question number 6. Raw material which is used by organism as food are. Let's see what are the option. Non-carbon based. Option B carbon based. Option C both. Option D none. At the same time, non-carbon based or carbon based never will be. For this question, the correct option will be carbon based. It means that raw material which is used by organism as food are carbon based. So the correct option is B. The correct option is B. Let's see next question. This is the question number 7. The processes of acquiring oxygen from outside the body and to use it in the process of breakdown of food sources for cellular needs is what? Fill in the blanks. So let's see what are the options of this question. Diffusion, respiration, both, none. So the correct option of this one will be respiration. The correct option is B. Let's see what is the next question or question number. This is question number 8. When chemical reaction use the carbon source and the blank for energy generation. So here will be oxygen, carbon source and the oxygen for energy generation. Let's see what are the options. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, none. So the correct option will be oxygen. When chemical reaction use the carbon source and the oxygen for energy generation. The correct option is C. The correct option is C. Let's see next question. This is question number 9. Oxidizing reducing reaction are some of the most common chemical means to molecule. Let's see what are the options of these multiple choice question. Composition, breakdown, both and none. So the correct option of this question will be breakdown. The correct option is B. Let's see last question or question number 10. This is question number 10. Human being is a blank. Let's see what are the options. Single celled organism, multicellular organism, both and none. So the human being is a multicellular organism. So the correct option of question number 10 will be B. So today we shall get or have studied about answer of the 4 subjective questions and answer of the 10 multiple choice question under the section of what are life processes, under the chapter of life processes, under the subject of science, under the class of 10. So this answer question session is over. Have you any problem? Write into the comment box, whereas all details are available in the description of the comment box. So thanks to all of you to watch and listen till 14 minutes. The next video lecture related to the second section of life processes, that is nutrition. So till then, thanks to all of you.